In our series of videos looking at how you can save and make money in your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s and beyond. This week's video is about how you save money, reach your goals and how you could earn with some side hustles in your 30s. Your 30s are often considered your prime earning years. At this age, you're in a great position to start capitalizing on life experiences and building your income. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, as every week we bring you great videos on how to make money and give you the life you want. Starting to save earlier in life gives you more options later on and puts you in a great position when it's time to retire. Yes, we know it still feels a long way off, but trust us, you'll appreciate it if you start to do at least some of the things we suggest now. So how can people in their 30s make quicker progress on their savings goals? Follow these tips to start saving more money and securing your financial future. 1. Self-direct your retirement account. Please check, as this may not be relevant in your country of origin. However, not many people are aware that they can invest outside of the stock market while still using a tax-advantaged retirement account. A self-directed opens the doors to an array of alternative assets, such as real estate, private equity and more. This strategy provides a hedge against stock market volatility and allows for diversification and better control over investment returns. 2. Pocket your raise. Most of us are guilty of lifestyle creep. As we earn more, we spend more. Pretend that the next raise never happened and have it deposited directly to your financial planner. You'll never miss it. In 5 years, you'll be blown away by how it builds and be happy you did it. 3. Automate your savings. Out of sight and out of mind is key. When you have easy access to your savings, it can be too easy to use it. By automating your savings with a mobile application and having it coincide with payday, you create a great way to pay yourself first. This ensures that you are regularly saving a little bit, which will lead to a big reward long term. 4. Invest for income. Invest for more than growth value. In other words, many people invest in a stock in the hope and expectation that it will increase in value. Instead, seek out income investments that have the same growth potential in value and also generate income. If you're generating income with the investment, a return is realized early on and you can reinvest the income to grow your savings faster. 5. Live below your means. Live below your means and put away at least 40% of your earnings. It's tempting to get a bigger house, buy a nicer car and take more lavish vacations when you earn more money. By doing so, however, you're setting yourself up for less in the long run. Sacrifice instant gratification for long-term happiness. 6. Just start saving. Many young savers make the mistake of thinking that they cannot afford to save. If you just save something, even if it is a small amount a month, those savings will grow, compound and build a strong base for your planned savings at a later time. 7. Be tax efficient. As you make more money, it's very important to have great guidance around you, especially when it comes to taxes. Get advice or find a good accountant that can help you with the best ways of saving and investing. 8. Contribute to the matching point. Take advantage of your retirement accounts. If you work for a business that does matching, contribute to their matching point. Then, max out your annual contribution limit each year. This way you are building savings specifically for your nest egg. You won't take money from these accounts to fund a mortgage or pay for a new car. This money is just for your retirement. 9. Eliminate credit cards. In order to progress quickly with savings goals, you should eliminate credit card debt. Your extra money needs to be invested, not wasted paying high interest rates and minimum payments on credit card debt. If you add up all your debt payments per month and multiply it by 12 months, we are confident it will amount to an impressively large sum that would help you accelerate your savings goals. 10. Use a high-interest savings account. Start an emergency fund in case your car breaks down or you need to replace something in your house. Keep at least $1,000 in there. Use a high-interest savings account. So now you have some ideas on how to save and grow your money. How can you make some side hustles or more? Ride-share driving. Uber and Lyft. If you like to drive people around town, this is something you definitely should try. Uber of Lyft services makes it so easy for anyone to start their own business. It is flexible because you can quickly turn on your apps if you want to work and turn it off if you get other priorities. You must be at least 21 years of age. Have at least 1 year of driving experience and use an eligible 4-door vehicle. 2. Take paid surveys. Taking an online survey and getting paid might be worth your time. There are dozens of paid survey websites out there. Some pay better than others. Swagbucks is the top paid survey site out there. Mainly, it offers users reward points for doing simple tasks online like searching the web, watching videos, and completing surveys. You'll be given Swagbucks points which can then be redeemed for gift cards or cash. 3. Meal delivery. DoorDash or Just Eat are some of the best meal delivery apps out there. Their service is delivering from the restaurant to customers. They usually pay a percentage out of each and every order delivered. Or you could go directly to a local restaurant or takeaway and offer your services. 4. Create a YouTube channel. If you've been looking at how to make money online, then you should consider building a YouTube channel. The platform has over 2 billion active users each month that view over 1 billion hours of video content every single day. According to Forbes, the world's highest paid YouTubers earned an estimated $211 million in 2020. Learning how to build a YouTube channel is the first step you have to take. Then you can take advantage of the best ways to monetize your content, and then work on a strong social media strategy. Check out our previous videos on how to start to earn money on YouTube. 5. List a room on Airbnb. If you have a spare room or even better a house or apartment, you can rent it out on Airbnb. There's not many people around nowadays that don't know or haven't used Airbnb. It's the go-to place if you're looking for good accommodation when visiting a new place. Add some personal touches and get some great reviews and you'll have people flocking to your place in no time. 6. Find babysitting jobs. Being a caregiver is rewarding in many ways. If you like to spend your time helping other people, why not make money doing it? Either join a company or online service that offers this service or go out and find your own clients. Either way, it's a great opportunity to earn a little extra. 7. Invest. Investing might not be the right fit for everyone. Sometimes you need to be prepared to lose money before you make any. There are multiple ways to invest: stock, real estate, or business. This means, however, long-term stock investment and not for short-term cash. The first thing to do is sort out your savings and retirement plans. If you have money left on the side, this is the money to invest. Open a low-cost investing account on Vanguard, join robo-advisor investment apps such as Betterment, Acorn, or Stash. The most important thing is to educate yourself about investing before you part with any of your money. That's it for this week's video. We hope you enjoyed it. Let us know how you get on and please leave a comment below.